Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be checking out a phone by BLU called the Bold N3. Now, we covered the Bold N2 on the channel before, and that phone was a great phone for the price. You could pick this one up on Amazon for about $250, and I'll drop the link in the description and all that stuff so you guys can check this out. So what we'll be doing in this video, besides unboxing, is maybe doing a quick camera test, sound test, and then hopefully get into some gaming. We'll see how it goes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Oh yeah, shout out to all the subs, the new and old subs. I appreciate you guys. Let's get into it. One thing I love about BLU smartphones is they provide all the information about the phone for you on the box. Remember when companies used to do that? I think those days are long gone for the most part. But we're looking at a 6.78 inch full HD plus display, and that's 120 hertz, and it is AMOLED. We're looking at a 3D dual covered screen, or dual curved screen. Sorry about that. 3D dual curved screen. Also, this is 1080 by 2400 for the resolution, and that's 388 for the PPI. So we won't go through all these specs, but it looks like for the price, you're getting a lot. You also have a 4700 milliamp battery with 66 watt super max charger included. Come on now. Nobody's really doing that. Besides like the Xiaomi phones and things like that, you get a charger and a fast charging brick in the box, but usually for the phones in North America and the manufacturers, we're not getting anything these days. So guys, budget phones just might be the way to go. Anyways, let's go ahead, cut this open, see what we get. Boxing knife, of course. Let's try to make a couple cuts here around the perimeter and then tear this mug open. All right, that should have did it. Look at that, flawless victory. Capture greatness. We'll get to the device in 1 second, I promise. Let's just see what's included in the box. Here's that charging brick for your fast charging. Should we capture all this? Set this down. We're getting a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. All for around $250, mind you. Also looks like we get some headphones, and they are USB Type-C headphones. Decent quality. BLU stickers. Bold like us, bold like you guys. All right, what else we get? Look at this. Get a case. And then, of course, your user guide information. In 3. You know I suggest reading this, but most of you won't, so just toss to the side. And I know I've seen a SIM ejector tool, so here you go. That's about it. Now let's rip off the plastic. I do like the design of this device so far. Try to be graceful with it, but there we go. So just taking a look at the back of the phone here, we see there's a quad camera setup, it looks like. Or actually, maybe this is just a triple camera setup, and this is the flash here. So this looks more like a flash, and then you get 3 cameras. One of them is a 50 megapixel camera. So let's go ahead and see if this phone has juice while we just go over it. The phone feels really nice in the hand. For a mid-range price smartphone, this phone does feel pretty premium. I can't even lie to you. I really like this color as well. Looks like we have some power. So we'll set this up in a second. But going around the phone, you have the power button here. You have Volume up and down on this side. You have absolutely nothing on the other side of this device. Nothing up top. On the bottom, you have your USB Type-C port. You have a speaker here, and then your SIM ejector tray. Kind of did sound like there was a speaker up here as well, but we'll see about that later. So overall, not a bad looking phone. It's definitely slick. Let's go ahead and throw this case on it. See how it looks with the case on it. Yeah, I like this. All right, guys, it's been about 3 days and I've been using the BLU Bold N3 and I really like this phone. For about $260, I believe this phone is, you're getting a lot with the device. This is definitely probably the best budget phone you can get right now. It's offering 120 hertz for the screen refresh rate, and it's just a smooth and overall good experience. I haven't had not one issue with this phone. This phone also offers things like an embedded fingerprint sensor, if you guys can see this. When you pick the device up, the screen turns on, so it has that raise to wake. It also has double tap to wake. It also includes a face scanner. So you're getting a whole lot for a relatively little price. Now let's go ahead and jump into a quick camera test, and I'll just take a picture of some of the things I have on my desk, and then we'll do a sound test and then get to the gaming and wrap this video up. But all in all, so far, I haven't had an issue with this device, and I would recommend picking this device up for just an everyday smartphone. This is a great budget smartphone. So just like the BLU Bold N2 was at the time, probably in my opinion, the best budget phone of that round of smartphones, this Bold N3 is definitely the best budget phone you can find, in my opinion, as of right now. So let's go ahead and jump into a quick camera test, and I'll of course put the pictures up that I take. Yeah, shutter speed is quick, and the camera that, or the camera and the picture that I just took, I think it was very clear and the colors came off nicely. And you guys just drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. So put this here, snap this last picture. Boom. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into a quick sound test. I did notice while testing these speakers out for YouTube, there's only one bottom firing speaker at the bottom. It does get decently loud, but it's nothing special. So for only having a bottom firing speaker, I think the sound quality is still nice. Let's go ahead and jump into some gaming real quick. We'll load up Asphalt 9, and then you guys let me know what you think of the gameplay. So all in all, I think the BLU Bold N3 is a great budget device, and I would pick one of these up. I'd recommend you picking one of these up for a first time smartphone or just a generally good budget device. It's offering a lot for what you're paying. You get the case, you get headphones, you get the fingerprint sensor embedded into the screen, 120 hertz. The camera quality is pretty decent for the price, and you get just so much for what you're paying. So guys, I hope you appreciate the video. Drop a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. Budget phones winning, I'm telling you.